Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. You probably heard about this node project before called DeBoard. You've seen it on YouTube over the last couple of weeks, and I wanted to cover it as well. They still have an ongoing node sale, or you could say you can mint their keys, and that is now in stage 4. Tier 3 has been sold out, Tier 4 is live right now, and I think we're still early, especially as it is built on Avax. While they recently introduced some games like MineGecko, for example, and a couple others on this site, those nodes over here have the upside that you don't actually have to run those yourself. They don't have to be live on your computer, on a virtual private server, or anything in that regard. You simply have to get the key and it runs automatically. It was developed to empower real economics and facilitate open trade in the upcoming generation of casual games. And with a gaming-focused run right in front of us, this might be here to stay long term, as they want to bridge that gap between billions of traditional gamers and Web3 without the necessity of crypto wallets, making that part irrelevant, where we as individuals can support the network by managing a node, which enables us to earn network rewards and partake in governance decisions. Over half of all the tokens, 51% to be exact, or 5.1 billion out of the 10 billion total supply, is held for the key incentives for us to run the nodes, to have the keys, to get involved in here, with the remaining 49% for the whole ecosystem behind it. There's a vesting period of 12 months. Our rewards for that are paid out and issued monthly over the next 12 months. So in about 1 year from now, after everything in here is live, there will be at least 5.1 billion tokens in circulation. And we will then see how the mainnet in quarter 3 and quarter 4 is going to be and what type of games they will onboard in quarter 4. We can already play some testnet games as they show over here, with additional things happening once the mainnet is live. They also have an ongoing campaign on Zealy in which we can do simple quests, finish them, complete them by following them on Twitter, visiting the website, inviting people to their Discord, and then getting points in here, leveling up to get additional airdrops and rewards in the future. But the main point of this video, which is powered by Avalanche and Layer 0, are the D keys. You can see the nodes in here and how much these potentially make over the next 12 months. There's a leaderboard behind it as well, so you can see which address has the most amount of keys and how many rewards they got so far, with the number 1 key holder in here having a total of 272 keys and being on top of that list. For us, if you want to mint a key, we can use Avalanche, Ethereum, Arbitrum, ZK Sync, or Base. If we go with Base, for example, we will pay in ETH, 0.069 ETH, the same as on other networks. So if you do have some on Arbitrum, on ETH, on ZK Sync or Base, you can pay on Ethereum. If you have Avax on Avalanche, you can also use your MetaMask wallet for that. Connect to the site, click the link in the description down below to get, I think, 5% off of your purchase, and then mint yourself a key over here. So in that case, in the top right corner, connect your wallet, apply your code, select the chain, and then hit confirm with the amount of keys you would like to purchase. And then it's going to look somewhere like this. We can see that the status of the node, it is running. You can see the amount of nodes that you have. In my case, 1 over here. The rewards you got so far, incentive rewards as well. And at the top, how much you got in total. All in all, we are still early. Some other nodes out there, they sold like 10, 11, 12 different tiers already. We're still in tier 4, which means there are another 16 tiers to go after, with a price of up to 0.229 ETH per key. Link is down below to everything if you want to get yourself a key. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye, guys.